buddy. There I am. I got the yak out, which is pretty rare for me. Don't do a lot of yak fishing, but I'm gonna go out to this bridge here and try to hit up these pylons. A little bit choppy, but it's a beautiful day. Try to get us a few more sheepshead. I turned my camera off when I was catching it, but there it is. Beautiful sheepshead. Man, he's been in a rough battle there. I gotta get my cooler out. One sheep in the bag. All right, what I'm using today is just a regular jig head. Same 12 pound or 14 pound Invisalign, 20 pound braid. We got one. We got a good one. Wow. This is sweet. Come on, bud. We're going for a ride here. That's a big fish. Big sheep. That is not a sheep at all. That is a big black drum. I didn't think you were a sheep the way you were pulling, but that's pretty sweet. See if I can land this guy. No, he didn't like that. He did not like that. There he is. Whew. Nice black drum out of the yak. That's a nice fish. I could probably keep him, but I don't think I'm going to. I'm gonna let this guy go. Maybe. Beautiful black drum. Floating away here, but such a cool fish. So much fun to catch out of the kayak. That thing pulled me around like crazy. I'll let this guy go. There you go. Whew. That was fun. Wasn't a sheephead like I was looking for, but fun little catch nonetheless. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap her up for the day of the kayak fishing. Head back in. It's getting pretty choppy out here. I've had a bite for quite a while, and I'm out of fiddler crabs, so it's time to call it a day for me. But that was a good day. Got one sheep, a couple mangroves, and that black drum, which was a blast catching out of a kayak. Having them pull you around is pretty sweet. That's about it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.